Today I'm reviewing the Google Nest Doorbell, the second generation battery-powered version. I purchased this item for our place of business because we needed a reliable security option, and the battery-powered version was perfect since we didn't have any doorbell wiring in place. I like to use this doorbell as a form of security. It lets us communicate with visitors directly through the doorbell without having to physically go to the door, which is super convenient. Some of the features include a 145-degree diagonal field of view, which captures everything we need to see. And it has smart alerts that notify us when people, packages, animals, and vehicles are seen. The battery lasts about 6 months before needing to be recharged, and it charges easy with a USB-C cable. If you're looking for continuous recording, there are subscription options with the Nest Aware, but it's great that you get 3 hours of event history for free. So my final thoughts, if you're looking for a flexible, easy to install doorbell for added security, the Google Nest Doorbell is a fantastic option, especially if you need a battery-powered version like I did.